Hi guys, and welcome back to the Crazy Baker channel. And today we're going to be showing you how to make macaroon biscuits. Now if you've seen the first part previously, just run it on. That's making the macaroon paste. Now if you've already got the macaroon paste ready to go, what you need to do now is just pop it into a machine bowl and mix it up on third speed for 1 minute. And that just brings it back and you can just use it straight away. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. The recipe is under the video in the description. First of all, you add in your dry ingredients. This is the ground almonds. Now add in the granulated sugar. And now we're going to add in the ground rice. Now we're going to knock this on to first speed for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in the egg whites. Just continuously to mix this round. Right, now give that 1 minute on first speed. Now give it a good scrape down. Remember to get it all off the bottom of the surface. Right, now we're going to put this onto second speed for 1 minute. Now we're going to put it onto third speed for 4 minutes. And just let that continuously mix. Right, now it's ready. What we're going to do is put that into a bowl. So you can actually use this today or you can use it another day. But remember, when you bring it back out of fridge, later on, before you reuse it, you must put it back onto the machine bowl and mix it up for 1 minute on third speed. And for this next part, you need 3 trays and some sugar paper. You need a piping tube, which is 15 millimeters wide, and a plastic piping bag. Or alternatively, you can just cut the end off a plastic piping bag. Now you want to fill your piping bag up. And now you want to pipe these out 6 on a tray to around about 5 centimeters round. And they want to be around about 2 centimeters high. So you sort of bring the piping bag up to about 2 centimeters. As you can see, as Maya's doing it, squeeze from the top of the bag out to around about 5 centimeters and slightly up. As you can see what I've done there. Now we can see how Maya gets on. Remember, she's never done this before, so this is new to her. So it sort of squeeze it out, but bring the bag upwards. That's it. This recipe makes around about 12 biscuits. Right, that's it. Squeeze and sort of pull it up. Squeeze and pull it up. Squeeze and pull it up. Like that. There you go, Maya's having another go. Squeeze and pull up. That's it. Squeeze and pull it up. Right, now what you want to do is sprinkle some caster sugar on the top. This just makes them crisp a little bit in the oven. And on the top, then you want to plonk on a almond. That's it, just push it into the center. Now you want to make sure your oven is preset, heated, to around about 180 to 190 Celsius. Right, and there you go. We'll get them into the oven. Now you're going to bake these for around about 20 to 25 minutes until they're just golden brown. There you go. They look happy there. Right, halfway through, depending on your oven, like my oven, you've got to turn around so you can bake the other half. Because for some reason, fan ovens just seem to want to do this. Oh, look. Yeah, looks like we're ready. Now they look really cool biscuits. What you want to do then is just let them cool down, and then what you do is break off the sugar paper, and that just leaves your biscuit. Well, there you go, guys. Now that was really simple to do, wasn't it? Macaroon biscuits are very simple and very tasty. If you do enjoy the videos, please subscribe and please share. Do check out the playlists below. If you check out my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery, you'll find recipes that I haven't actually done yet, and I'm slowly putting them on for you guys. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!